Come on, baby. Come on, give it to me. Talk to me, baby. Oh, that's steep. What's up, YouTube? Dirty Dave here. Dirty Dave Television. Doing a little cruise on the KE100. I found a trail the other day that I passed when I was walking my dog. So I figured I would go explore it a little bit and see what we got. Should I take you along with me? Haven't done a video in a while on the KE. Went out in the DRZ and the Grom. So I figured what a better time. It's a nice day out. It's a little chilly out, but it's not too bad. Where's this trail at? A lot of people out today. Oh, there it is. It's a little dark back here. Get a little wild. Little tree in the face. Let's see what we got back here. What do we have here? Little low mileage lovely. Little rust bucket. Little graffiti. What the hell is this thing? Look, the engine's still. You can still see the engine. That's crazy. There's another one back there. What this thing is. Ouch. Yep, that's a sticker bush. Cool. Some kind of station wagon. A lot of abandoned stuff back here. Let's go see what else we can find. A little foggy in the helmet. There we go. Well, this is really overgrown. Last time I was in these trails, it was all bare. I think this is where I saw Mr. Pole in the other KE100 video. It's another trail I saw I wanted to take a look at. Is that it? Nope. This is it. See where this goes. Oh boy. Down we go. This goes right to the river. Oh look, more car stuff, more car parts. 100 or best offer. What are you guys going to offer for this fine piece of automobile history? Let's see what else we got. This looks like it was a bridge or something. A bridge that's not too straight. Falling apart. Man, that's wild. That thing's ready to go down. I get in there and push it down, but I'm not feeling very strong today. Alright. Let's see what else we got. There's a bunch of stuff back here. See what else we got. want to go down under the highway. There's always cool stuff over there. Bunch of abandoned buildings. Look, there's another abandoned building right there. Oh yeah, those are sticker bushes. Yep. It's like a garage. It's like a 3-car garage. But not really. I don't know what was back here. In the other video I said I think it was called, it's called Back Beach. I just don't know whether it was like a recreation area or, I don't know. These are the Ramapo Mountains. They got some history behind them, but a lot of sticker bushes. And a lot of mud puddles. A nice meadow to the left. Got smacked in the head. Maybe we'll go through there. Let's go through the meadow. Grassy knoll. Oh geez, look, another building. More abandoned stuff. It's wild. We got the highway over here. Ooh, little mud. The trailblazing. We got some graffiti. Watch out for the count. When you see the count, you go, yikes. Oh, jeez. Muchos rocks. This is wild, that snowman up there. Let's go check it out. Oh jeez. I'm gonna fall on my ass today. Alright. Bunch of rocks. I wonder if I can make it up there. More abandoned stuff. There's a bunch of buildings over here. Everywhere you go. Of course, there's a couple beers here. A little bush. This is wild. I wonder what was up here back in the day. Let's see how far I can go. That's some rocky stuff. Come on, baby. Come on, give it to me. Talk to me, baby. Oh, that's steep. Yeah, that's not happening. All right. I know when to turn around. And that time is now. KE don't like rocks. Oh, in my face. KE's not happy with me. Feel a little boggy. Alright, well at least we got on an adventure. And I didn't kill myself. That right there is a sign of a good time had by somebody. A lot of beers went down. Let's see what's down here. Oh, that's a big mud puddle. Look at this, pretty sweet. Boggity, boggity. Oh, sweet Jesus. There's no way this thing's getting through that. See what we got over here if there's a shortcut. Oh, another boggity boggity. No, we could do this. Made it. Oh, Jesus Christ. Well, that looks fun to go up. Let's try this. So much brap. All right. The little KE that could. I'm sure there's a lot of heavy breathing in this video. More abandoned stuff. A lot of, look, this whole wall. I wonder what was back here. I gotta look this up one day. It's in Wanacue, New Jersey. It's called Back Beach. In the Ramapo Mountains. Real muddy. Guys, as you know, I have 3 bikes at the moment. I have a Grom, I have a DRZ 400, and I have the KE100. And I do both street, and I do dirt. And I had a friend of mine tell me that usually the dirt videos are a little more interesting, which I think I agree. But let me know in the comments what you guys like to see. This way I can tailor some of the content towards you and make your viewing experience more pleasurable. And I know I do those What is Life videos all the time. I enjoy those. Those are almost for me, and hopefully other people get some benefit out of them as well. But let me know in the comments what you guys prefer to see. That's where the homeless guy is down here. If you guys can see that through the brush. Oh wait, did his tent go? He got rid of his tent. Maybe he moved. Oh no, it's just camouflaged. We'll go visit him one day. there's a deer. Look at him go. Man, those things can cruise. What's up? All right. So anyway, guys, sorry about the little distraction. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Dirt, street, DRZ, KE, Grom, wheelie instruction, videos on life. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will cater to your needs. Maybe even throw a wipeout video somewhere in between all that. Alright guys, I'm going to end the video here. I want to thank you guys for watching. Thanks for dealing with my heavy breathing. If you found some value in this video, or if you found it at least bit entertaining, please do me a favor and drop a like down below. If you want to see any future content from me as I put it out, make sure you subscribe. And also, if you'd like to hit that notification bell, you will get notified anytime I put new content out. And if you leave a comment down below telling me what type of content you want, I'll be happy to provide that for you. Alright? Alright. I'm out of here. Peace.